Hi traders, just go through a couple of trades I've done today, and this is the Euro Yen on a 60-minute chart. I just like the fibs. We had this big move to the downside here, and it threw in a 60-minute hammer and ran up into this trend line. Let's pull back into the bottom of this box, and I've been buying lows here at this fib level here, because if you look at the data tomorrow, they're expecting some good results on the data. So I've got an entry here. I'm going to get a stop. I'm going to keep my stop under there to see if we can break out of this box and go to monthly R1. That's my target, 142.45. And just a quick look on what I did on the US dollar yen. US dollar yen, I had this level here. Where are we? I did this massive amount of support on this level here, which is 104.20. I bought down here yesterday, posted that in the room. I've now got a stop to break even plus 20 on that. I bought another position here at 104.30 here. So I've got two positions, position 1 and position 2, with a stop under here to see if we can break out and get to at least 104.80. And I do actually believe that this Dow 60-minute chart, there's got a hammer here. I've got a lot of congestion. Weekly pivot, 50 and 200 EMA, trend line over here. I think this is potentially a W pattern, and we could lift up. Let's look at the daily now and we'll see. So I'm looking to see if this daily chart, you can see I've put it in this box from this pullback here after this breakout. So this is the back end of last year, and we gapped down to here. And we tested this high this time yesterday and sold. But when we came down, we held this level here. I'm just looking to see if we can get a stopping bar here and then take this back up to close the gap. Otherwise, if we break these lows here, then we are just coming tumbling down. I mean, the path of least resistance at the moment is definitely to the short side. So the question is, can that hold here and get a nice close above 400 and then start to move up? I've got new home sales tomorrow, so that is going to be key to that. We'll start going through some of the daily charts then. So the pound yen closed right up here at 173.13. Get any pullback, ideally to 172.50. That is a buy to see if we can get right back up to these highs. Euro yen, and we keep bumping underneath this. We've got a hammer here 2 days back on Monday. Keep bumping into this trend line, but if we can close above 147.50, 141.75, or of course 142, then I think we can push back up and potentially break out to these levels up here. US dollar yen on the daily, that's a higher close. So I've got a hammer 2 days back, stopping bar yesterday, potentially a higher close. Obviously the markets aren't closed yet, 2 hours before the US session closes. And let's see, so I've got 2 positions in that one, so looking to see if that can bust up to 105 on the back of new home sales. And CAD pairs have done really well. This is the Euro CAD. I absolutely kick myself for not watching this. I was watching CAD pairs, the wrong pairs. Pull back to 149 is a good place to see if that will pull back. I'm not sure we're going to get 149. I think we might be lucky to get 149.60 at this rate. So that's what I'm looking for. Aussie US is trying to turn around, rejected that weekly resistance I put up there. I mean, if you want to go into this one, if you took a pull back to 88.15 with a stop under ideally 87.70 to see if that can climb back up. But it's risky. It's in a downtrend, and this is potentially a pullback for that to roll over. Quick look at oil, and then I've got to go. Oil had a great day. 96.74. Invents tomorrow, but 95.80 is a good pullback area. Okay. Got a big slice of that, but I'm not in it now. I took it off at 96. Right, Rough Rice is just hanging on. I'm still in this, just looking to see if we can base from here and move up. Potash, I am glad it's come down. I should have shorted it, but there you go. I would really like to see a pullback. I've got an alert set for 32.80 area, at which point I'm going to look to see if that can base and turn around. Okay, miners have done well, oil stocks have done well, and things like COG, I mean this Targa, they've all done well. That's not done so well. MUR, not bad. And let me see. Ooh, how am I yesterday and a breakup today? PAA, Plains All American Pipeline, a US stock. I'm not sure you're going to get a pullback to 50.85, but I would be interested if that did just drop before it runs up again. And PTEN has had a good move to the upside. Okay, so scan, let me know how you're trading, and see you at the next update.